Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to reuse files in Microsoft Word document. So in this home tab, here you will see this feature reuse, find and reuse parts of documents within your organization. Click on it. Now here you can find document. You can search web, media, help, notes, files. So search as your requirement, like this the media, some friends, images, help and notes, web, if you want to use anything here, select it. So here guys you will see a list of things, like you will see your document, images, pictures, templates, frame and border. So if you need to use, so just click on this three dot and click on reuse content. So as we can see, in just one click without copy, click on this plus icon. So you have that content in your this particular document. Similarly, you can find out another one. Check out the document what you need here and just click on it. So this way you can reuse content in Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.